All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. I am your host and day trader, and the name is Hassan, and we're live. Got some new things I'm trying this week. You'll hear the scanner talking in the background, and I'm trying to focus more on levels than VWAP today. So we'll see how that goes. I'm excited. Let's just see how it goes. Try to be patient. Try to play the price action. And let's see, where do we go? 1684. And see where we can take it today.
CNHI. GOLD. BEKE. CNHI. BEKE. BEKE. BEKE.
Try to let things settle. Let's see.
INFA. BZ. BEKE. NVDA.
Oh man, not one of those.
INFA. INFA. UUUU. MARA. CNHI. INFA. 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 SMCORT.
Alright, I want to get in Google. Just waiting on a pullback. I feel like Meta's proven itself. I really want to get Meta more so down at 488 area. Kind of a gamble on MLEC. I don't really trade those kind of stocks that often.
CNHI. CAH. CNHI. CAH.
Yeah, Google looks really good. Man.
CNHI.
156.36.
BABA.
Shares of
CFLT.
coin.
CNHI. VZ. CLSK. BABA. BABA. RIOTU.
Hey, good morning, Ben. I think I'm probably gonna chill on this scanner while I have my watch list in play right now. What you got going on today, Ben? Seem like you be in MLEC. I don't want to get too carried away on positions this early. Yep, I figured. Oh, that's more. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I'm getting ready to stop out there. Wow, a little more than I wanted to for sure. Let's see. Where am I at? Oh, I need to be over here. Yeah, that thing just reminded me why I don't even like those stocks. Oh, not Mara too. All right, coin. 226. Now we looking. Now we got too many positions for sure. It's time to chill. Wild Wild West today. Yeah. A little bit. A little bit. Maybe too much. Yeah, a little too much. Definitely chilling now. Regretting the MLEC a bit. I feel like that was just kind of a spur of the moment trade there. A little bit meta too. All right. It's a little more focused on levels today than VWAP. You see, I grayed out my VWAP. Yeah, you right about that. All right, this coin position is fantabulous. Fantabulous. Mars looking good as well. Probably take Mara out at pre-market highs. What's this one? 57, dismiss. Dang, I thought I already borrowed on Mara. Pretty sure I did. Alright, guess I need to borrow again. Oh no, that was MLEC. What I got, 100 shares. I'll probably add tomorrow. I should have been looking to add to coin. That's what I should have waited on to get in Google. 38 cents. A little heavy on that. A little bit. Like I said, I was spending a lot of time on levels over the weekend. Look at coin. We supposed to be 227.98. 93-day sell. There we go. Alright, I just needed to let Meta dip down a little bit lower, I think, man. I wanted it over 488. I shouldn't have bought it at 490. I should have waited for 488 because look at that candle right there. It's 488. Yeah, I was late. I was a little early to the game on that one. But I'm trying some new stuff today, so it's understandable. It's understandable. A little disappointing. You see, I got it right here. I got the 488. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh my! I got 488 right there. I just I got a little antsy. Trying to focus on the levels today. MLEC was a total travesty. Man, I should have added on coins somewhere. Somewhere. Where are we going with this? Let's go with that. I might try to get Meta if I can get down some kind of pattern back to retest 488. Google, I don't know where exactly I was planning to take profit. Let's see. We got 54 to 56 basically. So see if we can get $2 out of it. I might be a bit aggressive. Yeah. Okay, here's Meta back down to 488 level. Man, I don't know if I want to try that one more again. Feeling kind of scary. Oh yeah. At 2 to 1, 78% is gravy. As long as your wins are at least 2 to 1, you would do great with 78%, bro. For sure. Alright, Meta's not looking too good. I don't think I'm going to mess with Meta. I'm not messing with nothing until I get at least one of these home, because the red is quite massive at the moment. If I get one more stop out, the day is over. I don't know. Google's looking a little adalicious over here, though. It's not 2 to 1. Not sure what the profit would be. Yeah, I I don't know. I understand you there with that kind of trading. You might need your your strategy. I just like to have a risk level that's very constant to where every time I risk is pretty much the same amount. Like I'm really upset at losing 36 on MLEC. These other two lost 25 on, which is great. Um, so you risked more than your pro. If your ratio, the higher your ratio is, I mean, the higher your accuracy is, the less you need your win rate to be super high. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, bro. That's one of the reasons I really like my R system because it's everything's constant. You know what I mean? Um, yeah, I don't know if I feel comfortable adding to Google. I really would like to add right here over 156.21. Um, I could probably still keep my stop under 156, but yeah, I mean, like I said, the higher your accuracy, the more leeway you have for your risk. But I don't know. I would really have a hard time wrapping my head around risking more than I make, like risking 15 cent to make 10 cent. But again, with a really high accuracy, that wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing. Okay, Mara's looking sketch. Everything's dropping. It's okay. You just gotta be patient. You just gotta be patient. Ain't nothing crazy happening right now. This is actually a good little spot right here. Add another 35 over 15 maybe. All right. Scared money don't make money. um, all right, so let's adjust this stop. So 77, 155, 77. Stop sell. Okay. And let's go 156, 77. All right, so over 16. Could add another. Over 12. It's a little choppy. Got some room though. Hey, let's go, man. Come on, Google. I really would like Mara to stay over 17. Wow, Google with a super pullback. 48, 46, 41, 47. Meta is going down the Drizane. SPY is having a little pullback here. I don't know. Mara's looking a little sketchy. I don't like that at all. That would be sad for sure to stop out on Mara and Google for that matter. That was a nice ad on Google, it looked like. Come on, SPY. Let's not do this today. Let's not do this today, man. Yeah. It's not going well. I probably still need to wait that first. I don't know. Let's go. Dang, that sucks. 2 bad trades on Google. I probably should have taken 2R on that joint. It was looking good though, man. I just needed my stop. I think that ad killed me on Google. That ad killed me, man. Bruh, that's about to suck. Yeah, I can't, dude. I can't. Dang, man. I think that ad killed me on Google. Oh, that's gonna be sad, man. Yeah, you right. Oh, man. It just came down here for what? Just came down for what, man? And now the market's running. Bruh. That's cold-blooded. That's all right. Mara cooking over here. Yeah, but SPY just had a ridiculous pullback though, man. Yeah, I'm sad about Google for sure. The ad got me, man. I really wanted in over 155, man. That was the level I was looking at the most in pre-market. It's just the levels though. Like I had it going up after these levels, which I mean it looks like it's gonna do. But these losses on MLEC and Meta really got me a little shy to pull the trigger. Bear tweezer, yeah. Yeah, it does. It does. Coin could really have a nice day though, especially if it makes another high. But what they say, you're not supposed to assume previous highs are gonna be tops. That's one thing I heard over the weekend doing a little research, listening to some lectures. Actually, you know what? That was a comment that I got on one of my videos. He was like, we always assume previous highs will be tops. So like this high at 227.14 should technically assume it's going to be a top. But I got such a good position on coin right now, man. It's crazy. I really want to just sell some of it. Yeah, Bitcoin did a halving, which I didn't even understand until I read this morning. I thought it was going to be like, I thought I was going to wake up to Bitcoin being 30,000 or something like that. But it just means that the coin you get when you mine is, you get half as much now. Which sucks for miners for sure. But hopefully, it, you know, the more rare it gets, the higher the price will go, I guess is the would be the assumption. Man, I really want to take another swing on Google, man. I really do. But that's my bias talking. It's staying up at these levels I drew, though. This thing makes a nice little handlebar right there, man. I would be very tempted. Two-minute says it's going down. You think so? Just because it is, yeah, this double top. 47, 48, 47. Bro, I want to do it so bad. I just want to take 100 shares at 156. I feel it in my gut. I feel it in my gut. I can't though, because I don't even know. Mara and coin is looking sus right now as the market's pulling back. Let's see what this market's gonna do. Damn, I didn't readjust my stop on Mara yet. 14 cents. Should be 84. Bruh, I thought I already. Oh, okay. I gotta borrow some more. Oh, my bad. I keep forgetting to be over here. I'm feeling pretty good about my two positions right now, but I really want to get back in Google, man. It just feels reckless, but I really want 150 over 156. Everything's telling me that it's going in my gut. Everything's telling me. I just wish I had a better position on it. I don't want to lose another R on this move, though. Yeah, okay. All right, I'm gonna chill now. Mara, man, I should probably take out at 145. That's a lot of resistance that came in right there. What's that? Yeah, 147. 17. 43. We'll do that. Well, Google would have never triggered me in, so that worked out. How'd you do, HH Trader? What'd you trade today? Hey, y'all, can y'all hit that like button for me, por favor? Appreciate it. Yeah, I really wanted to get in at 155 on Google, man. But I was scrambling this morning, honestly, man. The market open. I was still drawing levels on stuff. Shoot, I wouldn't mind a test back to 155. Mara's looking fantabulous. It really hasn't moved much for real. I almost want to hold some to 18, but I'm already so red right now. Yeah, I'm not going to be that greedy. Yo, this coin entry though, looking mad luscious. I really, man, if it breaks up over here and gets to this target, I feel like 230 is imminent. Like, to get out at 228 is very conservative. I might just sell like 6. 227. Minus 219. It's 839. Times 8. I don't know if it's... Yeah, you're right. You're right about that. Oh, man. I like these narrow range bars down here on Google. SPY's still holding up too. I need Mara and coin to go though before I can really feel froggy about something else. Really need that to happen. I'm gonna feel bad about not going with my gut on Google though if I don't take this. Man, I'm gonna feel bad. It's really a gravy entry, man. Yeah. We here, man. We here. Uh-oh. Damn, that was fast. Good Lord. Good Lord. I had to. Mm-mm-mm. What a nasty day so far, man. I should have waited for Mara coin. uh, watch it go now. That's going to really suck. Oh, my God. Watch it go now. Oh, man. Bruh. If I gotta sit here and watch this thing take off, it's all good. I gotta let these other two pan out, man. I should have gave it a little more wiggle room, too. Yeah. I probably jumped the gun on it, man. I thought this was pretty decent, but it still was really at the tops. It didn't really have far to go to get to pre-market high. Probably asking a little too much from it. Plus, I'm really not used to trading these small caps. This will mess around to be a break-even day with 2 rockstar trades and 5 trash ones. I don't know. Mara's looking real weak right now. And coin. And the spy. Oh boy. I should have waited for this 5-minute candle to close on Google. I thought about that. Come on, Mara. Say what you saying? One more again? Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna take your word for it. I'm not at liberty to take another swing at all. Really need it back at 155. Oh gosh, why the market got to fade right now? I mean, we are in a bearish market though. Shouldn't be expecting anything else. This is gonna be a sad one right here. Yeah, I will. Bro, I had to try that one. I feel okay after trying it. Yo, what's up, bro? Don't look at this right here. Look at this. Hey, you guys, hit that like button for me, please. Please. I did, but I've been so consumed with what I have on my watch list. I haven't even. The scanners were yelping when during the open, but I got it up. It was just so much going on, and I really liked what I was looking at on my watch list, so I didn't really pay it any mind today. Man, I wish Mara was not about to stop me out. In other news, coin is looking great. Yeah, the only reason my broker's still allowing me to be in my positions is because coin is holding my total P&L underneath 100 max loss, which I keep getting a pop-up window saying enabled, disabled, enabled, disabled. So we'll see, man. Really trying to bring these guys home right here. Yeah, see, we got this guy right here. Come on, Mara. Come on home. Come on home. Yeah, today I kind of came in with a completely different mindset. Usually my VWAP indicator is orange. I turned it to gray to kind of reduce my focus on it, and I really want to focus more on the levels, the price levels that have been tested repeatedly. And so today I was kind of gunslinging, but I don't know. We'll see. I'll definitely feel great if I can get just these two trades home and just end up with a break-even day. I'll be okay with that because it's just really just a learning day. I will be sad if it's a big red day, though. Man, the market is dipping hella right now. But Coin and Mar are holding up not so bad. Google's holding up a little bit too. Google's holding up a little bit too. Makes sense. Man, it's looking scary right now, bro. The SPY is going Geronimo. Coin has a long way to go to get to my stop, but Mara does not. The problem is my broker will kick me out of my positions if I go too far past 100, and I may not survive to see this thing through. Shouldn't have took that last swing on Google, even with my gut feeling, which was terribly wrong. I gotta manage risk Dang, man. Yep, there goes my broker stopping me. Oh no, that was just Mara stopping out. Okay. They still gonna let me play this out? I doubt it. They're gonna stop me out, watch. Probably should have taken that 2R on coin a while ago. We'll see. Sweating now, boy. Yeah. Nah. I've actually been. I really think this YouTube channel has helped me tremendously. I've gotten a lot of really beneficial input, and it makes me a little more religious with my routine. Not with breaking my rules, unfortunately, but definitely with my routine, it's making it a little more religious. And I commit to doing a review video every day, which gives me opportunity to talk through my trades and talk through what I was thinking about, and that's helped tremendously. And I've gotten some really good comments, like, man, HH Trader's been helpful. I had a couple really good comments on some videos over the weekend that really opened my eyes to some things. Boy, my broker's really letting me play right now. I'm really surprised. Yeah, so I don't know. I mean, it definitely sucks losing money every day in front of everybody, but I feel like it's I don't know, kind of a cool thing. Like I wanted to see real trading when I first started, and all you get is like gurus making thousands of dollars every day. Yeah, yeah, I like it, man. But yeah, I just got a long way to go in regards to well, my stop is way down here, so I'm it does seem like the move is over at this point, but um, we gonna see. We gonna see. My level was 220, so I probably don't need to risk all the way down to 216, but I don't think coin is dead. I just think I don't know. The market is really looking nasty. I think just a little bounce in the market coin could make it up to where I'm trying to get it to. But I got a really good entry on coin. Yeah, Google is. Google is. But yeah, I'm far from being able to take a trade on Google. This would be a cool little ad spot right here, though. Damn. Why they wait till now to close my position on coin, man? That's cold. They gonna wait all the way to now to kick me out of coin when it's about to turn around. You're gonna kick me out when the sellers come in. Oh. kick me out when the sellers come in, huh? Thanks a lot, broker. Not that I can blame my broker. Should have been kicked out a long time ago. Yeah, this entry on Google was wild. But you know what made me do it? VWAP. Like, I'm really about to get rid of VWAP. I really was thinking about it all weekend. Bruh, like seriously, bro, like how they let it trade down to here and not kick me out and then kick me out right here. Like, look at this. That's pretty sad. That's pretty sad, man. Yeah. VWAP gets me I'm done with VWAP, yo. Yep. I've been thinking about it for a while. It's not like just today I'm deciding to get rid of it, but it's a lesser support. It's like it might be cool for ads maybe, or I don't know. It's just it's a distraction from the levels I should really be paying attention to. The price action tells you all you need. Like VWAP, if it's above VWAP, it's uptrending. Not necessarily. Like the price action will tell you if it's uptrending or downtrending. Yeah. Yeah, this was just a poorly managed trade, I think. Because I could have taken profit, and then if it dipped down, I could have gotten back in. Which this test to 220 right here is kind of a no-brainer, but here's Google. 154.84. Yeah, that's a nice pretty level right there. Appreciate you, bro. You know what sucks about this broker? I do not have a 4-hour time frame. I've been switching over to I've been pulling up Trading View to look at the 4. Yeah. Yeah, if this makes a new low here for sure, all hope will be lost on Google, which 85, 84 is the low. There's 84. But if this turns into a hammer bar, I would probably really like to take it back up to high of day. Nah, this is my broker is Street Trader. It's an offshore broker. Yeah, that's a wrap on Google, man. Yeah, I was on hopium by that point on coin after I was so deep in the red. Bro, they scandalous for stopping me out right here, bro. They should have let me see it through, man. I should have taken profit, though. My initial, I actually wanted 227. I had 226.93, but I actually meant to put it at 227.93 because I like 228 as a level. But apparently it was 227. Yeah, for sure. Oh God, not the offshore. How much leverage? A lot. A lot. Let's see. $20 times leverage. Yeah, bro. Here's the ad for coin right here. Yup, 20 times leverage, man. But honestly, bro, I can't be mad at them because I'm the one who told them where to cut me off at. They let me go $53 past. Like, they gave me plenty of time. I don't know what they were waiting on though. Like, to imagine somebody actually sitting there waiting and picking the right time to stop me out. I don't know, man. That would be wild. But it's definitely my fault. Like, I shouldn't have taken that extra trade on Google. Um, why am I using an offshore broker? PDT, my friend. I do not have $25,000 to put into a trading account. And in the United States, you cannot day trade without a $25,000 account. Yeah. Hey, so consolation prize. You guys hit that like button for me, please. I've really been enjoying the growth of this channel. Nuh-uh. Are you serious? I did not hear that. What? That's crazy. Nah, any broker outside the PDT rule is a United States thing. Any broker outside of the United States can get you around that. Oh, it's T1, huh? Yeah, look at this coin, man. This is the ad spot right here. Watch it go to 228. I bet it go to 230 today. Maybe even 240. Ah. My trades was reckless, man. How do I feel about this meta trade? This probably should have been enough of a sign right here on meta. I don't know why I wanted meta to watch meta this morning. I felt much stronger about Google and coin. Really coin. Coin was the main one I wanted to watch. I was looking at coin all weekend. Oh, okay. Okay, so but you still can't churn the money though. Like you can't buy into a position, and then once you sell that money, you can't trade that money again because you got to wait till tomorrow. So it's still limited. It's better. Okay, it's better, but it's not gonna take the place of offshore brokers. Offshore brokers are still gonna be the way to go for little guys like me. Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah, I still need my street trader over here, man. Definitely better. They need this retail money in the market, man. They need to retail is just like pouring money into the market. They needed to lighten it up. It only makes sense. Yeah, that's pretty dope. Right, for sure. Damn it, Google. This is where the entry needed to happen. Right over 155. Could have got all the way up to 156.48. This would have been, yeah, it's quite a wide entry though. I don't know how I could have made that make sense. Yeah, bro. This is Sterling. Sterling Trader Pro with no 4-hour time frame. Like, bro, what? Not only that, but the hourly only goes back. So I guess it goes, yeah, like that's it. That's as far back as I can zoom out on the hourly. So, yeah, I'll probably be spending my mornings drawing out my levels on Trading View, and then just drawing my levels here. I just gotta remember to be patient for the setup to happen at the level I'm looking for. I think both of these got to 2R, but today I was really looking for some home runs. Yeah, because after this ad right here, yeah, here comes Google. This is the time to buy Google right here, man. Where are these hearts coming from? What's going on? Somebody just showing some random love? Yeah. What you think about Google now, HT? Is this the time? It's 5 minutes set up right here over 155. Back up to high a day, or at least 156. Be a nice trade up to 156. A bearish trees a pattern on the 1 hour. Yeah. I see. So the move is done, eh? Yeah, she's looking bearish. Dang, that's hilarious. Nah, bro, I'm not here to be a YouTuber. I just thought it would be fun. I'm definitely here to be a trader. Um, I was thinking about dramatically reducing my risk though to like $10 a trade, maybe $5 a trade. I don't want to go back to paper, but yeah, I'm definitely risking too much. I think I'll probably do that. Trading one share. Now I gotta have a little bit on it just to make it feel like there's a point. Cause I get in a paper trading sim and it's just like it's too easy to get into willy nilly mode. I need some kind of risk on the table and some kind of reward for a good trade and a punishment for a bad trade. But I definitely think hmm, I really hate arguing with you, bro. It's trash, bro. The edge that I had is gone. I have no edge in a bear market. When the market was trending up, I felt very great, and that's what made me want to start this channel. And you know, I just felt like there were some few things I needed to work on, that I was struggling with, and that was the premise of the channel. That I would work through these few little struggles. But I was profitable for the moment, and then yeah, I can't argue with you, bro. I can't argue with you. The only argument I have is I just don't want to go back to the sim. Well, honestly, after this weekend, I've kind of torn it all back down, and I guess now I would say I'm looking for bullish setups at support and not VWAP anymore, but actual tested support. So my gut feelings, I definitely was trading my gut on Google. I ain't gonna lie, but yeah, like I feel very confident in a bull market, but I just have nothing. I don't short, so I could just reverse everything in a bear market and probably would do okay, but that's not what I'm going to do. So yeah, I don't have an edge right now, bro. I don't have an edge. I feel like I have somewhat of a read on price action, but I suck at the big picture. I have these hourly and 5 minute charts up, but I get tunnel vision a lot, and I get sucked into the 2 minute, which I used to be the 1 minute, which I was trading way worse on the 1 minute. Um, Edge wonk. Is that a typo or a real? And Trader View. This one don't do both. Sheesh. Yeah, you sure called it, bro. You definitely called it. Spell that wrong. Pushing profits. What's up, man? Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, I'm here. We're having a discussion about how sucky my trades have been and my lack of edge. Um, hmm. Bruh, it's a trip, this journey, man. Like 2 months ago, man, I felt like a rock star. Yeah, that's a good point too. That's a good point too, Ben. I haven't really checked his actual trading videos. I mean, he kind of sound like he's in the same boat as me, but I saw that he has a tutorial on there that he seemed to have spent a lot of time working on. Yeah, it's just feels like I don't know anything right now. Like, is this just luck right here? I planned this. I got 220 written over here. You know, I planned this, and when I saw this guy right here, where did I get in at? This felt good to me this morning, and it worked out really well. I just did not take profit. And Mara, honestly, this massive downtrend all morning. I don't know. Yeah. Like I said, it's a lot of big picture stuff I'm missing. The higher time frames, the spy especially, man. But it's like if my strategy is a long strategy and the spy has been viciously downtrending, then what do I have? I have to find things. I have to find things that are trading opposite of the spy, you know, with a lot of relative strength, which is where the scanner comes in. But I was so, I guess, infatuated with my biases already on my watch list that I didn't even listen to the scanner at all today. There's coin back to 220. Yeah, I feel like my psychology is decent enough to where if my strategy was good, I'd be okay. I just need a path. I need a path. I've pretty much done this all on my own. Not really like a formal education. I've read a couple courses and watched a bunch of videos, but I just kind of stumbled upon something that was working for me, which was during a bull market. And now that we don't have that, I don't know. I just feel like I'm lost. I don't know. I wouldn't feel that bad if I had taken profit on coin and on Mara. They were decent trades for a moment. Mara got squished though. I just wanted Mara back to high of day. Yeah, Google is finished. Look at this chart. That's nasty. 154. Yeah, that thing cracks below 154, man. Jeez. Probably back down to 152. When we gonna get on the Zoom, Ellingford? I was looking for you this weekend. Coin look like it's doing the same thing Google's doing on the hourly. Hmm. Appreciate it. Hmm. I'm usually pretty good at that. Usually by the end of my day, after I finish journaling and think about it, I'm already excited about the next day. I don't know. I'm feeling a little more hopeless than usual today, though. I do feel a bit better about like my bias on coin today was definitely based on higher time frames, and it worked for the most part. I guess I had my target up too high, being a little greedy, I guess. I wanted 228. I got 227.14, and my entry was 219. So yeah, probably had a lot of opportunities. I could have moved my stop up at least and captured something. So I would say greed got the best of me today, especially after this high volume move up here. That's usually a sign that it's about to be over. Should have moved my stop under here, or yeah. Was also probably distracted with jumping into all these other trades. Coin was honestly enough to just pay attention to that. That's the one I felt really good about over everything else. Coin and Google. Google didn't really give me an entry though, like a reasonable entry where I could put my stop somewhere, even on the 1 minute. So yeah, I could have just traded coin today and got up out of there. Meta. That's funny, Ben. Yeah, you be getting out of there, boy. You got an eject button. Yeah, the confidence is gone. Confidence has definitely left the building. Nah, I wouldn't say that. I wouldn't say that. Just not. My vision is still a bit too narrow. Ignoring a lot of things. $227.76. Yeah. 227 would have been a much safer spot to get out. And I was definitely being a little too greedy. Yeah. I do feel like I'm ready to get away from VWAP though. I do. It just gives me too much of a bias, I think, and less VWAP and more support and resistance, and just focusing on the higher time frames. I like the game plan I had this morning. I just got a little flustered once the market opened and everything started moving around. That's a good idea. I'm gonna do that right now. Guess we can leave that there. Hmm. Um, yeah, I definitely take a lot of yellow light trades and red light trades. I take a lot of where I'll see a variable or two, and then yeah, I don't know what comes in to make me decide to proceed with the trade, but I definitely noticed that journaling at the end of the day that I started giving my trades a grade, and like none of them were A's. Like they were always, most of them were C's. So yeah, kind of what Ben's saying. Like I wasn't even trading my strategy perfectly. I was always impatient to wait for an A setup, so I would take mediocre setups and jack up my P&L, and then once the A setup came, either I would be down for the day or um, too red to feel confident to take the A setup, and then I would sit there and watch it go, you know, where I would want it to go. Um, yeah, today would have been a no trade day actually, according to my strategy, Ben. I wouldn't have traded at all. None of these trades fitted at all. Interesting. So I would have been sitting there looking at my screen, doing nothing, and then maybe I would have pulled up the scanner and searched for. That's funny.
HIMX.
Very good point, Ben. As always, man, I appreciate your thoughtfulness, man.
MRVL.
Nah, cause Mara, it's got to be above the opening range for me to take Mara,
MRVL.
and it never got there.
VION.
It would have had to trade above this candle to even open the door for me looking for a VWAP setup. Damn, Ben, kind of just blew my mind right there with that comment, bro. Literally none of these I wouldn't have gotten in any of it. Damn, that's crazy.
SHOP. SHOP. CELH. CLSK. VZ. SHOP. INTC. CELH.
Tuh. Wow. ARM would have been nice. ARM was so bearish today that I didn't even look at the chart from what I read from what other people were saying, but ARM was a setup. Higher high above the trading range. Higher low, hammer bar to VWAP. Enter above this candle, stop below that. 2R to the top. That would have been a nice little trade. What was that? $0.86. Say $1.75.
TECK.
93.22. Got to 93.61. 63. Yeah, like dude, Ben, man.
CELH.
Damn.
SPOT. CELH. CELH. CELHD.
Dude, I was like really because I worked on that damn strategy for a long time, man. Oh.
AXP. CBNA. 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 CELH. CVNA,
Hmm.
CVNA, CVNA,
All right, Ben. I appreciate you backing that up too, HH Trader.
CELH,
All right, so I don't need to tear down everything. I just need to stick to my strategy. Because after last week, I was just feeling like I'm doing everything wrong. And I kept fighting for my strategy, but I guess this is where sometimes too much input is bad. But it's just like, okay, after like freaking 3 weeks red, but it's 3 weeks of rule breaks. 3 weeks of rule breaks.
SHOP, CELH, SBS, VZ, MARA,
Yeah, and that's exactly like what my particulars are, even on the lower time frames. Like that's why like it has to trade above the opening range. That's like the first sign of it being bullish. And the pullback, it has to stay above the opening range when it pulls back.
VION,
And I want that pullback to test the opening range and VWAP. When those two things line up and it's a narrow range bar, that's like I've been bro. I got hundreds of screenshots of the setup and it working like over a period of over a year. It's just in the bear market, the discipline required is way higher because it's happening way less. And that's where the scanner can come in also. But like yeah, this bear market has just been showing me how much discipline I'm lacking because it was easy in the bull market because like 4 out of 6 of my watch list charts would be doing what I wanted to do. And even if I did kind of squint and take like you said a yellow light trade, the bull market would carry it up anyway.
JD,
It does work in bear market because it's it's the steps that make it. It's like confirmation. Like, okay, it creates opening range. Then for it to trade up over the opening range, that's a very bullish thing to do. Like not just poke above, but trade above and close above the opening range, and then come back down to test that range again. And then if it throws like a hammer bar, that's a sign that buyers are buying it up and holding it up above that range, and it's very likely for it to keep moving up from there. Especially if you got room to the next resistance level, room to pre-market high, it just makes sense. Damn, it's like blowing my mind. And this is the main thing, benefit I get from the YouTube channel, man. I really appreciate you guys. Both you guys, man, hanging out. Everybody said something. Elling for pushing profits, but man, Ben and HH Trader, man, you guys have really helped me hold it together today. If I was by myself, I don't know where I would think myself to. With this strategy, the main thing I need the higher level time frames for is the levels, the resistance levels, so that I know if I'm taking a setup on a lower time frame, do I actually have room to target? Because if the setup presents itself based on my strategy, then it's gonna move up, more times than not. But I need the higher time frame confirmation to help me set my target, and to even determine if there is enough room to make it even a worthwhile trade. And so that's why I don't really have a habit of looking at the higher time frame or really caring about what the SPY is doing. But the SPY has definitely pulled the rug out from under a few of my trades, though, for sure. So that kind of sucks. That's definitely happened where I've had decent setups. But those are probably ones where I wanted to hold for a long time and I didn't just get out at 2R. Yeah, my average hold time for my prop reports is 20 minutes. But I had a couple weeks where I was like, when the big caps were trending up, because I really just moved to big caps, but when the big caps were trending up, I was catching $3, $4, $5 moves, but I was selling half and then, holding the back leg for, a much longer move. But I mean, generally, I would probably say 10 minutes is a decently long hold for like something with really good momentum. It should pop right after my entry. Like when it doesn't pop, it's kind of like maybe this wasn't the best entry. Bruh.
RN. CSGP. SBF.
Yeah, so like in the mornings, I'm looking for things that have gapped up, and I'm looking for first or second day green. Like if it's the third green bar up, then it's too much. Like it's too extended in general. And if it's trending up pre-market, especially over yesterday's close, really over yesterday's high is the best. Um, then those type of stock, on high volume, those are the things that'll make it to my watch list. And then if those fail, that's when I can have my scanner popping. Hmm.
PDD. KSS.
Where's dark mode? There we go. Why is that? Hmm. I've questioned that too. If one penny, if a 1 penny trigger is really enough, and one penny stops. Oh, how's the daily range $40.80? Okay, that's not what I want then. They don't have ATR. I thought they had average trading range. Maybe that's it. Oops. What did I just do? Symbol name, change from close, daily volume. Not percentage. Day ATR. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, that makes more sense. I've actually always wondered what your entry criteria, like how you get in, because Like when you tell me you're in a position and I pull up the stock, I'm always trying to imagine what made you get in right there. I just assumed you were dip buying, and I don't know. What's your strategy entry, Ben? Actually, I really like to know what your strategy is, HH Trader. What is your trading looking like? Oh, the tick chart. I keep forgetting the tick chart. So by range, you mean like from support to resistance, right? Like if it's bouncing in between a range, you look for confirmation that it is either falling below that support, or breaking above that resistance and making a move up to the next level. Am I understanding that correctly? So how do you calculate your risk? There's pre-market and post-market. There we go. All right, Ben. Appreciate you hanging with me, man, as always. And your input, bro. Have a good day, bro. Makes sense. Man, dreaming of the day that I can risk 500 on a trade. So it's kind of like a 1-to-1 ratio is what you're looking to get. You trying to make 500 from your trade, or I guess it's depending on your range. You're looking for $2 to $3 a share more than anything. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's what I try to go to 2R minimum. I really love when I get 3R out of a trade. Try not to be too greedy and go for 4R. Yeah. That's what's up. All right. I've done really well using ATR for my targets. Yeah, I've done really well with that. But I can't use it for stops because, well, my stop is based on the pattern I'm jumping in on. But I've done really well. Like I've had a lot of home run trades that I've used the ATR for my target. I do like doing that a lot. I can't make pre-market a different color. This seems stupid. I know I'm missing something. Alright, whatever. It's just a pre-market chart anyway. I've been going back and forth with that. I've for the most part, I'm an all or nothing trader, but I do leave a lot on the table by not, sometimes it'll fail before it gets to my target, and I could have something to show for it, something to show for my time sitting there watching it. But yeah, I've been I don't know. I hate it when I have a trade go, almost 2 to 1, like 1.75 to 1, and then I don't even move my stop up to break even. It don't make sense. I used to have a rule of moving my stop up to 1R to break even at 1R, but I like giving my stocks wiggle room. Definitely at close to 2R, I should be at break even. But like once I take profit at 2R, if I leave a leg, then that's when I use my manual trailing stop. But I've been talking myself out of taking legs because I hate it when I take a leg out and then the leg stops out break even, and I'm like, well, I could have taken everything out at my first target, and I would have been much happier. What other thing would I need? Maybe a news feed. I like that. I've definitely had a lot of days where I've had a bunch of trades go into profit and then ended up leaving, stopped out on everything. Boy, Google made a nice bounce at 154 all the way back up to almost 156 now. So, like in the mornings, are you looking for stocks in play, or do you just kind of have an overall picture of the market and you just kind of looking at different levels and waiting for different stocks to reach certain levels? Or are you looking for like catalysts or gap ups or anything like that? What is that? That's stupid. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Cancerous. So does that mean? What do you mean when you say cancerous? Like it's dying? Like so you're predominantly short? Is that what you mean? Huh. So what'd you trade today? Talk me through one of your trades, bro. Let me pull up something. Like from pre-market, if you don't mind, sir. MELC or MLEC? MELC don't work for me. All right. So first thing you look at is what, the daily or what? It's pretty cancerous. Down to here. So it had this ridiculous day and then sold off like ridiculously. Okay. Press release. NASDAQ.com. Approval for plant-grown animal proteins. Today is the 22nd. Okay. Okay. So you think these days were just technical breakouts? Huh. Dang, so you doing the DD. Oh, it's just market manipulation. Huh. All right, so you go through the press release and actually looking to see if any fund or money is being distributed. Pork protein. Huh. These press releases, like a lot of times they're just pumps, right? So you're looking to see if there is actually anything real in it. Piggy soy. I'm very proud of the Mulek team creating value for shareholders and the planet at the same time. Huh. Right. Uh, okay. So starting on the daily, well, you look at the last pumps, because I don't know, these ranges right here, it's like 32 cents. Take a super quick restroom break, bro. Keep typing. All right. Huh. So do you pretty much just trade low floats? Huh. Do I have float on here? I don't think I have the float. No. Okay. All right. So what time frame we starting on? Guess that's all we got on the monthly, huh? Ain't been around that long. And this is just you're just looking for levels, like things that are tested over and over. What would you even pick out of this? This looks like nothing to me. I mean, maybe $3 or 260. Makes sense. I got you, bro. Yeah, I don't want to tie you up too much, man. I just kind of wanted to get an idea of what you do. But man, I'd love to hop on a Zoom with you this weekend if you got the time, man. That's what's up.
Nasdaq.com itself, man, that was a good resource to grab to just pop in a ticker and see what the news is on it. Nah, thanks for your time though, man. You've been real helpful today, man. Um, yeah, I think I'm gonna spend my time working on this scanner. Just try to get things set up for my morning, and and I think I'm gonna definitely I'm gonna give myself another shot with how I've been trading, and I think the focus needs to be just sticking to the plan. And yeah, yeah, Ben was right, man. Ben been in here watching me break my rules every day. Like, that's not the strategy. So yeah, I really haven't disproven my strategy. I've just disproven my approach to it. So I'm gonna give that a shot. I'm gonna set up the scanner so that when my watch list isn't giving me anything, I have something else to look at. And yeah, I think that'll be cool. That'll be cool. Hey, what's up, Brad? Yeah, I did not. I kind of came in today and just like threw my strategy on the back burner and started doing something different just because, I don't know, last week was discouraging for me and I was kind of had some other ideas in my head. Make them requirements for entry. Yeah, I like that. I like that. Hmm. Daily ATR. We'll go price. Price. There we go. Hmm. What'd you trade today, Brad? BAC. Is that Bank of America? Man. went straight up. We just take the break over yesterday's highs on that one and keep it moving. Nice. You get in on that? All right, HH. Here, man. Shoot me an email, bro. Where'd you get in at? You better be there. Thanks again, HH. Appreciate you, bro. Oh, wait. We already emailed, didn't we? Anyway, I can't remember, but if you don't got it, there it is. EDBL. Let me check you out, Brad. It's not bad. This is more of a setup I would have been able to take. I don't think I wouldn't have had an entry on BAC. I don't have a setup that gets me into this trade. I don't know. Let's see. I've been thinking about getting into opening range breakouts, like a 5-minute range breakout. I've been super considering that just to be able to get into some of these. 3705. Nice, man. Nice. Nice trade, bro. Yeah, I got destroyed on MLEC. I took that on 2-minute break. I guess that would be a 2-minute opening range. And yeah, that didn't last very long at all. Turned around right at pre-market highs pretty much. Straight U-turn. I thought about raising my stop up. I sure wish I did, man. I got slapped up. AGBA. Oh yeah, this is a nice smooth trader right here. That's a nice one. Not bad. That's what's up. Well done, sir. Let's see. Small loser on AGBA. Where'd you get in? You must have FOMO'd on it. Oh. Yeah, really, any of these pullbacks would have been gravy down here by VWAP anyway. All banks are green. Ah, okay. Yeah, see, I don't like breakouts, man. I like the pullback. I like the higher low pullback. I used to exclusively trade breakouts, man. And I just got faked out so many times. I completely removed it from my playbook. Although I did trade a really nice breakout. What was that on Google last week? Or no, that was gold. That was gold I traded. I really like the third test of a level, man. And I had to take it because it was the third time. Every retracement was smaller, and that third time I was like, yeah, I'm taking it. All the banks are green. Yeah, nah, yes. That's a wrap. I ain't chasing nothing. I mean, I'm done for the day anyway. I totally blew up my day today, as you guys can see, but nah, I feel you. I feel you. I took a gut trade on Google today right here. I was watching and I was just like, man, I was up like 2R on coin at the time. Mara was looking really good, and I was telling myself, I was like, man, wait to see if you can take profit on these other two before you enter. But these two hammer candles right here had me, man. This one engulfed that one. I was like, yeah, I got to take it. And it triggered me in and stopped me right out on the same candle. It's pretty sad. Pretty sad. Boy, this buy off of 154, though, that was the one. Off of yesterday's close, that was the one. Thing ran the whole rest of the day. Yeah, I had kind of a discouraging week last week, and I just decided this morning I was going to ignore my strategy and try something new. And coin was really nice, but coin, really was a buy off VWAP for real, aside from the range. But I had the confidence of it because of the level that it was at. And same with Mara. But Mara did not go through. And then I looked at my strategy and I was like, wow, I wouldn't have taken any of these trades if it was for my strategy. But the main thing I really want to work in is my screener. Just because what happens is I don't find anything that fits my strategy. And I end up just taking trades that don't fit my criteria because I'm like, I don't want to necessarily say bored, but I'm trying to make money, But yeah, I'm having a good time with this thing.
SPOT.
Nah, I never have RSI up, bro. I've thought about RSI. I do think it's a good indicator, but I don't know. I never traded it long enough. I never looked at it long enough to really develop any confidence or any kind of strategy around it. What was that? Relative strength index? Yeah, I don't know. I just really, I like the fewer the variables, the better. Nah, I don't trade any options. Yeah, Brad, I killed myself with that, Brad. Like, I'll have all these criteria and then nothing will be happening, and I start squinting at things trying to trying to see setups that aren't there. But I learned a lot today. My buddy Ben reminded me that, I've never actually seen your strategy fail. I just see you fail to trade it. And so I was literally about to just ditch everything and tear it all down and start over. But I got hundreds of screenshots of me taking good trades with my strategy. And that's why I developed it, just over trading over and over again, and I just noticed things that seem to work, and kind of made rules to keep me out of the things that don't work. And but the bull market is really hard for me. It's like it's when it requires the most discipline to stay safe and not throw money out the window. %10 of yields to a donation, your portfolio pops. What? What? Believe in Jesus is what I say. Okay. I believe in Jesus. Peace be upon him. %10 of yields to a donation. Is that like biblical? Is that what this is? 10% of yields to a donation. Your portfolio pop. Oh, I see what you're saying. This is tithes. Tithes, is that what this is? What they call that preaching? I forgot. They got a term for that preaching where prosperity preaching, I think is what it's called. Where the focus is prosperity and collecting those tithes. All right, Brad, thanks for popping in, man. Hit that like button on your way out for me if you would, sir. Appreciate you. How long you been trading? You better be there. You still in here? Thank you, sir. Much appreciated. Yeah, let's delete that window. Let's delete that window. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you, man. All right, let's add some alert windows. Let's go with VWAP breakout. And then let's go volume breakout. About a year. You profitable? I am not. I had a good month, a couple months, like last month. Was that last month? I think February. I had a good February. And yeah, the current market is destroying me, but I'm destroying myself because I could stay out of a lot of situations that I keep diving into. Let's do that one.
SEDG.
This needs much higher requirements. Wow, look at PDD. PDD did a thing today.
AMAT.
Why is this keep switching? Oh, okay. I need to lock this. There we go.
EQT.
So what do you trade? You trade options? Big caps, small caps, low floats. I think MLEC was my first and last low float that I'm trading. It was not a good experience for me. It's been such a long time since I've traded these. I really have taken a liking to large caps. Not to say I don't get chopped up by large caps, but I'm just much more familiar with the big cap action. Yeah, that's what's up. Me too, man. Me too. I really like the big caps. I had a nice entry on coin today, but I did not take profit. I was holding out for closer to 28 and went up to 227.14. I think my take profit was 227.93 or something. Didn't move my stop up or anything. Just let it die. Let it die. Yeah. Tomorrow's going to be a better day, man. Try to get in here a little earlier. I was kind of rushing this morning at pre-market. Felt rushed once the bell rang. Wasn't really collected. Rushed into a few things. And I really thought Google was going to really take me there today. This entry was reckless, but this entry wasn't bad. Not too mad at this ad right here, but it did not work out. Did not work out. Double topped and turned right around. But yeah, I'm excited about tomorrow. That's always a cool feeling at the end of my day, even when I have a sucky day like today. I can still see the opportunity in my mistakes. And it's not just like random that I didn't make money today. I can see my mistakes. I can see where my strategy I wouldn't have traded any of these if I was actually trading my strategy. So my guy Ben pointed that out to me. So I'm gonna just stick to that. It's what I know, and just need to keep the criteria up here and not jumping these B grade, C grade trades, man. And just wait for my setup, man. Even if it's just one trade a day, you know. Like that BAC trade you ate on, bro. All you need is one of those a day, man. One of those a day. Yeah, that's a nice move there. The daily setup was really good, man. It's really good. Yeah, man. All right, well, that's the end of my day, folks. Appreciate everybody who came by and hang out with me, man. I'll be back tomorrow morning, man. So hit that sub, hit that like for me. Be back tomorrow morning with the same game plan, but hopefully a different level of determination and discipline. And, you know, keep putting one foot in front of the other on this journey. Yeah, that's it, man. Appreciate you. You better be there. Nice trading today, sir. Catch you guys tomorrow.